Hello everyone, I'm Christina B Rising, and welcome to my internet home, Rising B, where I help you rise to be who you want to be, with productivity and organization tips, as well as books to help you on your journey of rising to be who you want to be. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so that you can become a riser. Don't act like the fake people that stop by and watch my videos but never like it. Just click like, it's free, I promise. And click the little bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Sometimes YouTube likes to hide my videos if you don't also click the bell, so make sure you do that as well. Anyway, today's video is going to be about making the most out of your morning. Before we jump into the video, I just want to share the word of the day with you, which is control. Handling any issue or confrontation that comes your way. And our monthly theme for the month of April is the month of blooming into who you want to be. If you want to stay motivated and inspired, all month long you can download my motivational wallpapers for your computer and phone down below. Now, without further ado, the first tip I have for you is to avoid the snooze button. Delete those millions of alarms you've set. All this does is disrupt your sleep and confuses your body's REM and simply drains you. Instead, you should set a realistic time to go to bed and avoid getting on your phone before you lay down, so you won't spend the night scrolling away. In order to get out of bed, you have to first give yourself a good reason to get up, so you won't press snooze. You can get up earlier so that you can do a morning meditation, workout, or writing in your gratitude journal, and working on a side hustle or business. No matter what you do with this extra time, it would all be wasted if you never got up when your alarm rang. Stay up to date with everything Rising to Be by signing up to the weekly newsletter. It's filled with blogs, videos, exclusive freebies, and so much more to help you rise to be who you want to be. Create results, not plans. Don't stop rising. If you're watching on IGTV, you can sign up through my link in bio. Keep rising. Follow me on Instagram at risingtobe for motivational content and Twitter at IamRisingtobe for inspirational tweets. Follow me on Pinterest at Rising to Be for several boards of inspiration and motivation. And join the Rising to Be Facebook group at Rising to Be. Keep rising. Tip 2, being accountable for your results. In order to get better results in your life, you have to become more accountable and understand your responsibility of how your day turns out. If you're a visual person, you can use a tracker to track your success of the goals you're after. Make a personal mission statement for yourself to stick to so that you can have a true purpose for improving your life for the better. Ensure that it is highly specific with reasons for why you want to improve. It's not a love letter or a poem. It's just a chance to get real with yourself. You can also create a system of accountability or get an accountability partner to help you stay on track. You can also check out my free time blocking printable to help you find more time in your day to increase your productivity so that you can get more done. Time blocking allows for you to manage your time and split your day into blocks of time. Take control of your day and how you spend your time. Finally, get everything done on your to-do list by scheduling the time for every task you have and accomplishing it, and only that for that block in your day. By having your day blocked out in advance, you won't have to wonder what task to focus on next. You'll just move on to the next task and complete it. You can download the printable for free down below. And be sure to download my free 5 and Thrive tracker to help you thrive every single day. No matter how hectic your schedule gets, what 5 goals will you track so that you can thrive every single day? Start thriving a day with my 5 and Thrive tracker and time blocking printable. You can get them both for free down below. Tip 3, making every minute matter. It's important that we are aware of how we spend our time. It's highly crucial to our productivity and decision making. As we become better at managing our time, we will become more aware of what is stopping us from getting things done and have more control in our day. It will allow us to have a more balanced life and make the most out of our 24 hours. So here's a rundown on the tips to help you make the most out of your morning. Tip 1, avoid the snooze button. Tip 2, being accountable for your results. Tip 3, making every minute matter. I hope this video was helpful to you. Let me know down below in the comments what tip you'll use to improve your morning routine. And before I go, I just want to share the question of the day with you, which is, how do you maintain control over your busy schedule? Let me know your answer down below in the comments. And don't forget to download my free monthly motivational wallpapers for your computer and phone. The monthly theme for the month of April is the month of blooming into who you want to be, to keep you motivated and inspired all month long. And don't forget to download my free monthly motivational wallpapers for your computer and phone. The monthly theme for the month of April is the month of blooming into who you want to be, to keep you motivated and inspired all month long, and you can get it for free down below. Stay up to date with everything Rising to Be by signing up to the weekly newsletter. It's filled with blogs, videos, exclusive freebies, and so much more to help you rise to be who you want to be. Create results, not plans. Don't stop rising. If you're watching on IGTV, you can sign up through my link in bio. Keep rising. Follow me on Instagram at risingtobe for motivational content and Twitter at IamRisingtobe for inspirational tweets. Follow me on Pinterest at risingtobe for several boards of inspiration and motivation. And join the Rising to Be Facebook group at risingtobe. Keep rising. And I'll see you in my next video. I upload every Thursday and Sunday. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, as we rise to be, we are becoming who we want to be. I am Christina B rising, and I will always be rising. So keep rising and be who you want to be. Start the year off right with 10 plus pages to help you conquer your goals in the new year. Write the vision and make it plain. Habakkuk chapter 2, verse 2. You don't have to keep your dreams, goals, and master plans locked up in your head. Put them on paper and bring them to life. Start preparing for the new year, starting today with this printable, and keep rising to be who you want to be.